Alright, so today we're taking a look at the Nooie Aurora Smart LED multicolor bulb that I've been sent for evaluation. This smart bulb has an 800 lumen brightness and an E26 base. Spinning around to the right side of the box here, the Nooie smart bulb uses 10 watts of electricity and can represent a color range between 2800 and 6000 Kelvin. The Nooie smart bulb is UL listed. In the box, this model LB126 comes with 4 LED light bulbs. The Nooie smart bulbs will require an 802.11bg or N 2.4 GHz network to work on. Spinning around to the back, again we have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection required. You can use an app to control your lights. Comes with scheduling and timing, voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, energy saving. This smart light is dimmable. So now let's open up our box and see what comes included with the LB126. At the top of the box, we have a quick setup guide for the Nooie Aurora. We're going to put that to the side for now. And a card letting you know about the Nooie Club. Going deeper into the box, we have our 4 LED lights. These lights have a good weight to them. So now that we have our Nooie smart lights unboxed, let's go ahead and configure this on our Wi-Fi network and get it going. So first, let's get the Nooie app from the App Store. So we'll just scan the QR code with our iPhone. And we'll get that Nooie Home app. So let's sign in here and tap on Add Device. Select the Nooie Smart Bulb. And now let's pause here and screw in the Nooie light bulb so that we can continue pairing. So before we go further with the Nooie app setup, we need to power on our light bulb. So let's screw the Nooie light bulb into a light base. And turn on power. That does feel every bit of 800 lumens, and there's no humming or buzzing. Seems to be a pretty quality light. To pair the Nooie smart bulb with the Nooie app, we're going to turn the light on, and then off, and then on, and then off. And then when we turn it back on, we should make it flash blue. There we go. So we're going to hit reset successful in the app and say that the blue light is flashing. And now we just need to choose our Wi-Fi network. Now the light's going to start pairing. Alright, so now that the pairing is successful, we can name our light bulb. We'll call it Nooie Smart Light 1. And save it. And now inside the Nooie app, it looks like there's brightness controls. So we'll lower the brightness all the way down, raise it back all the way up. Here's about halfway. And now that we've successfully paired the Nooie Smart Light Bulb with the Nooie app, we can head over to the Alexa app and set it up with our smart home for voice control. So inside Alexa, let's go over to Search and look for Nooie Home. Tap on Enable to Use and log into the Nooie portal. Then authorize Alexa to control your light. Nooie Smart Home is successfully linked. Now press on Discover Devices so Alexa can find the Nooie Smart Light Bulb. So our light was discovered. We'll push on Setup Device. I'll skip Group Setup for now and push Done. Now let's go under Lights and select the Nooie Smart Light. Here we can see the brightness and the available color commands. And let's test those now. Alexa, turn the smart light off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the smart light on.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the smart light to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, set the smart light to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set the brightness to 100% on the smart light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the smart light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, set the smart light to purple.
Okay.
So I hope you found this Nooie Smart Light review useful. Please click on the like button down below if you did, and consider subscribing to my channel for more smart home reviews. Thanks for watching.